Hey everyone, welcome to episode 5 of Find the Error. This one is the equation of a line. So I'm going to go ahead and read the problem here. We have a straight line that exists that passes through the points 5, comma, -3 and 9, comma, 5. And we've been asked to determine the equation of the line. So I'm going to write down the equation for a linear function, y equals mx plus b, and I'm going to begin by finding the slope that connects these 2 points. Now, our slope is solved by doing our rise over our run, and we can rewrite the rise over run as our delta y over our delta x, so our change in y divided by our change in x, and that's going to equal our y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. All right, everything's looking good here so far. And we have our 2 points, and we have our point number 2, that's our final point, and our point number 1, that's our first point. And we're going to go ahead and fill those into the equation. So m, that's our symbol for slope. It's going to equal our y2 value, that's 5. Subtract our y1 value, that's -3. Mind that double negative up there. Our x2 is 9 minus 5. Now we chug that into the calculator, everything looks good. We get a slope equal to 2. Now that we know our slope, we're going to need to solve our y-intercept. And in order to get our y-intercept, we're going to have to pick one of our original points and substitute it into the y equals mx plus b. I'm going to go ahead and pick one up above, and we're going to use the 9, comma 5, just because I like positive numbers, and I think if I pick a negative one, there's a bigger chance that I'm going to make a mistake. So let's go ahead and fill this in. So we have 9 equals our slope value, that's 2, multiplied by 5, plus our b value. And we can do that 2 multiplied by 5, so we get 9 equals 10 plus b. We can subtract 10 from both sides, and we end up with b equals -1. Now we have our slope, now we have our y-intercept, so y equals 2x minus 1. And that is how I incorrectly solved the equation of a line. Can you find the error that I made somewhere in this video? If you can, you clever little cupcake, you give yourself a smile. I am so proud of you. And since this is episode 5, if you've watched all of these, you have now found 5 of my errors. Congratulations. Looking forward to playing next time. Thanks, everyone. And if you get it, feel free to leave a smiley face in the comments down below. Thanks.